Hey everyone, are you tired of doing the same boring tasks over and over? What if you could make your apps to do the work for you? Yes, there is a special tool available called n8n, which helps you to automate tasks without coding. It connects all of your favorite apps like Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, Notion, and even AI tools like ChatGPT. And you can automate various tasks with these tools. For example, getting an email and automatically save the attachment to Google Drive, or when someone fills a form, you can send yourself an alert on Slack, Discord, or on Gmail. Or you can also do auto post on social media while you sleep. To use it, you don't need to be a programmer, you just have to drag and drop simple blocks called nodes and connect them. It's like building Lego but for automation. So if you want to save your time and make your apps talk to each other, try n8n and let it work for you. To use this tool, first we must have to download and install the Node.js in our system. To download it, you have to simply search download Node.js in your browser and press enter. After that, you have to go on this website nodejs.org, just click here. And now from this website, you can download this Node.js on various platforms. For example, for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and AIX. And here you can choose the architecture x64, x86, ARM64. As I am using Windows and I have 64 operating bit system, so I have to choose these options. And to download it, you just have to click on this file. It will automatically start the download here. After downloading it, you simply have to click here in order to run the installer. And to install it, you have to click here on next. You have to accept the license agreement, click on next. And here you can choose the location where you want to install. So I'm going to install it in the default location, program files node.js. So just click on next. Next, install. It will take few seconds to complete this process. After completing the installation, click here on finish. Now to verify the installation, you have to open your CMD, click on open, and here you can simply type npm --version. As you can see that Node.js is successfully installed in our system. Now in order to use n8n tool, you have two options. Either you can use it without installing it, or you can install it in your system. For example, if you want to just test this tool, you can run it without installing it. And if you want to run it regularly and make different projects, then I would recommend you can install it system wide. I will show you both of the options. If you just want to run it directly without installing, then in your terminal you simply have to type npx space n8n and press enter. Now here it is processing to install some packages temporarily. So you have to press Y in order to proceed and press enter. And now it will take some second to complete this process and run this tool. And here you can see that after temporarily installing the packages, it will run this tool on this web localhost. So to copy this address from here, now go into your browser and paste this address here and press enter. And to use this tool for the first time, you have to set up an owner account here. So you can provide your email account, and here you have to provide your first name, last name, and your password here. And if you want to receive security and product updates, you have to check this box. Otherwise, just leave it like this and click on next. Now here you have to fill up some more things about your company, like what describes best about your company. So I will choose software as a service, and which role best describes you. I would say that engineering. And what are you looking to automate? I would say that data syncing, CI/CD, get started. And here if you want to use these advanced features for free forever, you can have to get this license key. So click here, it will send this free license key on your Gmail account. Now here we have got the license key to unlock the selected paid features on our community edition of n8n. And to activate this key, we have to click on this button. So it will navigate us to n8n website. And here you have to click on enter activation key. And here you have to put your activation key. Now go to your Gmail account and copy this activation key from here and paste it there and click on activate. And here you can see that under usage and plan, right now we are using the community edition, which is completely free. And next in the personal tab, here you can edit your personal information like your name, email address, password. And here you can choose the theme for this tool. Either you want to use it in light theme or dark theme, whatever you like. Next in users tab, here you can add multiple admin users in your project. In community version, you are unable to add multiple users. So if you want to add multiple users, you have to upgrade this tool by clicking here. And next in n8n API, you can generate an API keys in order to use this tool programmatically. So to generate an API key, click here, create an API key, and under label, you can write the name for your project. For example, AI, and here you can choose the number of days until key expiration. So if you want to use this key for unlimited amount of time, you can choose no expiration and click on save. Here it will generate this key. Now you have to use this key in order to use this tool programmatically. Click on done. And if you don't want to use this key anymore, or if you want to change something inside it, you can click here. Either you can edit it or delete it. To delete it, click here, click on delete forever. It will delete the API keys. And next in external secrets, we don't know what's there because it is only available on enterprise plan, and all of these options now are available only on enterprise plan. So I'm not going to touch on these options because I am making only the free version of this tool. And next they have some templates workflow to automate some tasks. If you want to use some of their templates, you can simply click here on templates. And they have around 3637 workflow automation templates for these different kind of categories. For example, I want to automate my restaurant workflow. So to look for it, I have to type here restaurant AI and press enter. And here you can see the different type of templates that will help in the automation of the restaurant workflow. The first one is AI restaurant assistant for WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger, but this template has some cost. If you want to use free templates, you can see the price here. This one is free. In order to use it, you can simply click on the template, click here on use for free. And in order to import this template in your workflow, you have to click here, import this template to your local host. And here you have to create some credentials because this workflow is using outside third-party softwares like Google Sheets, Google Gemini Chatbot, and Telegram. Right now we are not doing this, so I'm just simply skip this process. And here you can see that it is generating the node-based template flow for restaurant. In order to execute this workflow, you have to simply click here, execute workflow. It will save it first, then it will run. We have problem in running workflow because we have not provided the credentials for these third-party softwares for now. But in our next tutorial, we will see how we can automate our own tasks by creating our own workflows in this tool. And next, if you want to install this tool in your system, to install it, you have to type here in your terminal npm install -g and n8n and press enter. It will take few minutes to install this tool in your system. And to verify the installation, you can simply type here n8n space -- version and press enter. And if you want to update this tool, you can simply type here npm update -g n8n and press enter. It will take few seconds to install the new updates. And if you want to uninstall or delete this tool from your system, you can simply type here npm space uninstall -g space n8n and you have to press enter. And in order to start this tool, you have to simply type here n8n in your terminal and press enter. To run this tool, you have to copy this address from here and you have to paste it here in your browser and press enter. This is it for today. If you want to learn more about AI workflows, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the updates of the new uploads. See you next time. Bye bye.